Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about row and column in the Flutter. So row is a widget in the Flutter used to arrange its children widget in a horizontal line. It is a concept of a main axis and a cross axis. Main axis is the horizontal and you can align the children along this axis using the properties like main axis alignment. So, children of a row are placed next to each other in a order they are listed. So, let me show you the simple example of the row. So, let's create the simple example for the row. Okay. So, here I'm going to use import void main void main, and this will be the entry point around app my app. Here I'm going to create this my app class, and it will extend the stateless widget. Overwrite widget, which will use the builder context, and return, and this will return the material app. Inside the material app there will be a home. Inside the home I will use the simply the scaffold have the app bar app bar, and inside this app there will be a title text row example. Okay, so inside the body, I will create first center. I will center and children. Inside the children, I will create a row. This row will be have a children. Inside this children, let's create text. Inside this, I can write like this is the children number one, children number two, and text children number three. And let's do one more thing. Let's also center this thing. For center this, I can use the main main axis alignment. Here I can use space between, or we can also write it a space around. Let's close this. Okay, so let's run our example. Here I can write flutter run. So let's wait for 10 to 12 seconds until it runs. and this will be a simple example for the row. So let me give you the simple example for the column. Just we need to change this row to the column and just do a hot reload. Okay, just I think run it again. Let's wait for 10 to 12 seconds. Let it run. And this will be a simple example for the column. I hope you understand the video and thank you for watching.